Good morning students, I welcome you all for the online class of business studies. Today we will be going to learn the next continuation of personal selling. As we already learned, personal selling is a type of promotional technique in which the person personally sells the thing from door to door or and by meeting the customer. That is known as personal selling. Let us have the personal selling role of personal selling. Personal selling plays a very important role in marketing management of goods and services. It is important tool for businessmen, customers and society. Importance to businessmen: when we say personal selling is an important tool to increase the sale, it is important for businessmen due to following reasons. Very first, effective promotional tool. Personal selling is an effective tool to increase the sale of the goods and product. Salesmen explain the merits of product to our customers. Flexible tool. Personal selling efforts can be changed according to the type of the customer salesmen are attending. They may change the offer in varying purchase situations. So that is the flexible tool. So personal selling efforts can be changed according to the type of customers, salesman and attendee, because it involves personal skill of the person, how they can sell the product. Minimum wastage of efforts. This part of the personal selling has compared to other methods of promotion. In personal selling, the wastage of efforts is minimum. Customer attention. Through personal selling, it is easy to get the attention of the customers as there is face-to-face contact, interaction between the salesman and the customer. Better communication is done related to the product among the person to sell the product. Relationship. Personal selling helps to create long-lasting relationship between the customer and the salesperson, which helps in increasing the sales. Personal support. Through personal selling, salesmen can create personal support with the customers. They can prove competitive strength of the organization. Very effective to introduce new product. Personal selling is very effective to introduce a new product in as salesman can explain the merits, show the in demonstration or clarify the doubts of the customer. That way it is very effective to introduce a new product. Importance to customer. When we say personal selling is very important from customers point of view, as customers can get required information about the product from customers only. Customers are benefit by the personal selling in the following ways. Very first, helps in identifying the needs. Salesman helps the customer to discover their needs and wants, and they also help the customers to know how these needs and wants can be satisfied. Latest market information. By personal selling, we can give salesman can provide latest information related to the product available in the market, use of those products, etc. Expert advice. Customers can get expert advice and guidance in purchasing various goods and services. So expert advice can be very helpful. Induces the customers. Personal selling induces means convince the customer in such a way that they can buy the product for satisfying their needs. So it induces the customer to purchase the product. Important to society. When we talk about the personal selling brings following positive effect for the society. Very first, convert latest demand into effective demand. Personal sellings create effective demands which result in increasing the sales and more income. With more income, there will be more product and services, which in turn bring economic growth. Employment opportunities. When we talk students, unemployed youth can get a better opportunity in the working area as salesmen to earn their livelihood. Career opportunities. Personal selling offers attractive career with job satisfaction and security. Mobility of salespersons. Personal selling sales people move from one place to another place in search of the customers. This promotes travel and tourism industry. Product standardization. With the help of personal selling, there can be uniformity of consumption by supplying standardized products. So product standardization can be there. With the help of personal selling, there can be uniformity of consumption by supplying standardized products. Standard product can be sold through the way of personal selling. Difference between advertising and personal selling. When we talk students, advertising and personal selling, the major difference is that it is impersonal form of communication, that is the advertising. When we talk personal selling, it is an personal form of communication. When we talk about the advertising, flexibility, less flexible as compared to as standardized messages are used, whereas personal selling, flexible messages can be changed according to the type of the customers. Reach. When we talk, it reaches the mass of people. whereas only personal selling, only limited number of customers can be contacted. Cost per person is less as it is charges covers large number of people. Advertisement has personal selling, cost per person is high, has at a time limited number members can be contacted. Because of that, cost per person is very like for example, salesmen have to go from one place to another place to promote the product, so their cost will be charged as per the person. Here the cost of advertisement is very economic because one advertisement can make sales of the product. Coverage point of view, cover market in short time, takes long time to cover the market. Personal selling, as it is difficult, as it takes time. Advertisement, when we talk, make use of mass media such as TV, radio, newspapers, etc. Personal selling, when we say, do not make use of mass media. Feedback, no direct feedback can be obtained in the advertising, whereas personal selling, direct feedback can be collected by the salesman. Most useful for standardized and customer products. Advertising, like personal selling, when we talk, more useful for industrial and customized products. Last is the public relations student. Apart from four major elements of marketing mix, another important tool of marketing management is maintaining public relation. By maintaining public relation, companies create goodwill. Actually, this public relation way of promotion is suitable only for those companies who is already having a name or having a good relation with the big companies. They can have the public relation way of promoting the product. Public relation evaluate public attitudes, identify the policies and procedures of an organization, and with the public interest on public understanding and acceptance. So public relation, what it does, it just evaluate the attitudes of the people and make good the relationship between the public and the product. So that way of promotion is known as public relation. Public does not mean only customers, it means the shareholders, the suppliers, intermediaries, customers, those who are with us in the business. All those people, if we are having a good relation, they also make some of the time promotion of our product wherever they go. So that way of promotion of the product is known as public relation. The firm's success and achievement depends upon the support of these parties. For example, firms need active support of middleman to survive in market. It must have good relations with existing shareholders who provide capital. The customers group in the most important part of public has success of business depends upon the support and demand of customers only. So definition of public relation, I think it is clear. Public association relation defines public relations as the art and social science of analyzing trend, predicting their consequences, counseling organizational leaders, and implementing planned program of action which will serve both the organization and the public interest. The Chartered Institute of Public Relations define public relation as a strategic management function that add value to an organization by helping it to manage its reputation. Public relations covers a wide range of activities such as providing information to media source in the hope of gaining favorable coverage. It also involves a mix of promoting specific products, services, and events and promoting the overall brand of an organization. Role, significance, advantages of public relation. When we say student, the public relations are significant in the following ways. Very first, help to convey the policies and programs of the organization, help to collect information about the public opinion about the organization, management activities, etc. To overcome the complaints and dislikes of the public, to mold people's attitude in favor of organization, to maintain goodwill and understanding between organization and the public, to build an image of the organization. For all these are the advantages of having public relation. So there are the public relations student which helps to convey the policies and programs of the organization and which also helps to collect the information about the public opinion. It also has to adjust with the complaints and dislikes of the public. Ways, methods, and tools of public relation. When we say there are various ways by methods of public relation, the company can use the following tools to improve their relation with public. Very first, news. Sometimes companies get involved in such kind of advertisement or activities or make such policies so that they can get some positive coverage in news. For example, a company's name may be covered in news for reservation of job for women or for introducing new technology, etc. This way is also known as public relation, where they are just giving the society also important with the promotion of the product. Speeches. The speeches given by the leaders of corporate sectors influence various members of public, especially banks, shareholders, etc. Public relation department creates occasions when the speeches are delivered by the leader of the company. So this is also a way of making the goods to be sold. Events. When we talk events, events refer to organizing press conference, multimedia presentation, matches, stage show, etc., where where in the between the advertisement is made related to the product. In the cricket match, you have seen the border, the various banners are kept in which promotion of the product is done, so that people who are coming there to entertain with them with this event, they can also get information about the particular product. Written material. Sometimes written material such as balance sheet, annual reports, special document brochures, etc., are circulated to various parties to improve and maintain public image of the company. Public service activities. Big business houses often associate themselves with various social service projects such as women welfare programs, charity shows, upkeeping of parks, planting trees on roadside, training schools, running schools, colleges, hospitals, etc. So these are the various activities, student, by which public relation can be done. Public relation is a good way, but it cannot be adapted by the new company, as new company is not familiar with the existing companies, and also by the branded company, so they cannot make the sale of the product. Public relation is good for those company which is already having a name in the market, and people also find good to promote the product of that companies. That is known as public relation. So public relation can be done, a way of promoting can be done by any person who are linked with our product. It can be the shareholder, it can be the creditors of our company, it can be any person who are linked with our company. So that is the part of public relation. So these were the 4 parts of promotion of the product, student. I hope you have understood. Very first was the sales promotion, where with the promotion of the product is done by selling the product. When one product is sold, with that another product can be sold by various tools and techniques of selling. It is known as sales promotion. In that we have learned various ways of promoting, that were the gifts, container, discount, many types of tools we have added up to make the sales of the product. Next we have learnt about the advertisement. Advertisement is a good way and very popular way of promoting the product, but we have seen that various criteria is also there related to the sales of the product through the way of advertisement. So advertisement, we find it is not so good and so perfect for every type of product to be sold, but advertisement is economic in nature, as once the advertisement is done of the product, it makes the sales of the product all around the country. And from cost point of view, we have learned that always we see that advertisement cost is very high, but when we see the maximum production of the goods, with that maximum production, if the cost of the advertisement will be distributed, then it will be less costly as compared to other methods of promotion. So that way advertisement is also good for the sales of the product. Third, we have learned about the personal selling. In that we have learned, when we are selling the product personally and by going door to door and making the sales of the product, it is known as personal selling. Like many water purifier companies are there, many newspaper companies are there who are going door to door and making the sales of the product, making promotion of the product. That is known as personal selling. When we talk about the particular last, public relation, as I already introduced you, this is also a method. So students, now what we have to do, you have to make a project of your own. In that you have to make, after this chapter is completed, now you can make a product, as it is our marketing management project also. So this chapter you have to learn carefully, and you start making the project from today onwards. As you, first of all, you all have to make the selection of the product. So the product details, names, and the details of the project is given after the back side of the book, project work. In that, marketing management heading is there. There you will be getting enough information related to project and what all details you have to add up. But still you can contact me for getting the information related to the project. First of all, I want you people to select the product and give the name of the product to me and start the project. As I will give the permission that you can take the product, that time you can start making the project. In the project, what you have to do, first of all, you have to introduce marketing management, as it is a part of marketing management. Second, you have to make the introduction about marketing mix. Then the product, the history in short of the product, like toothpaste, when it came, when it originated, which country first invented the toothpaste, where it has been, like short history will be there, that makes the project interesting. And then you have to write why you are interested to select that product. Then slowly you have to make the project. In that, first of all, you have to write the 5 competitors of your product. means 5 companies who are already existing. By the survey of that company only you have to make your own product. See here, once again I want to clear, you cannot take any company like Titan is a product existing in market. You want to make a watch, you cannot take the Titan company. There are your competitors. You have to make a new product, you have to name it, you have to brand it, you have to make your own tagline. You cannot take the product of someone else. So that is actually the product. Actually student get confused that they think any company they can take. Any company they can't take. They have to select the product and they have to make their own product by learning about the 5 competitors, and then they have to make the product mix. Then they have to write the price mix, then the place mix, and then the finally promotion mix of your product. This way you have to make the project and you have to submit it. The full project is not needed now because partially it will be checked at the midterm and partially at the time of annual exam. So till the place mix of the product you have to complete it. So and you have to first of all summarize the product, what contents you will be going to write, and then finally you have to make the project to be done. So first of all you will be making the project in summarized way and you will be sending me. I will be correcting, and if it is correct then you can start writing in the project file. For one more thing, the project file must have the same pages. It must not be colored pages, it must be having the black and white page, and the bundle pages must not be of different varieties. It must of consistent variety till the last end of the marketing management project. So that must be needed. Everything you have to learn. First of all, what you have to do, it is given in the particular book's backside. First refer it and then give me the product name. Once again I am saying product name, not the company name. Product name, and then you have, if I will suggest you to make the project, then you will be making the contents and you will send it. Finally after the content will get checked, you have to write in your project files. So that is the thing you have to do from today itself. You have to start. No delay. Has already the students started giving the product name, work attending the classes in the school. But now I want those people who are seeing the video, they also have to perform the same. So please do it and soon send through the WhatsApp number and just start your project. Thank you for today's class. Have a nice day.